Today I will show you how to add transitions on Final Cut Pro, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to add the transition for. So as you can see right here, we have 3 cuts of this project. Now we're going to go to the far right of the editing board where you see it says show or hide the transition browser. We click on it, and here you can have a lot of free transitions that you can add to your project. The first way to add a project is to select on the clip that you want to add the project to, and then you double click on the transition. Now as you can see, the transition has been added to both end of the clip, and when we move this to the beginning, we click it, the transition takes place, and at the end of the clip is also going to take place also. You see it? Let's delete this transition, and another way to add it is to move the transition from the transition box to your transition, and you see automatically it adds to the end of the clip. And you can also extend the transition as much as you want. Now the third way to add a transition is to go to the transition, you select the clip where you want to add the transition. So let's come to this side of the clip. Now here you can see 2 files here, 2 edits. Now we're going to choose this, and we're going to double click on this, and as you can see, the transition has been added to it. You can see the transition taking effect. Now that's how to add transitions on Final Cut Pro. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.